Good morning, everybody. I'm Ernie Hard, the Florida driver, and been wanting to do a video dressed for the occasion. But here's the Uber mobile. Oh, I would say that during the summer here in Tallahassee, the Uber mobile isn't quite as busy as I'd like. So what I do is, besides my Amazon account with where I sell books, I grow peppers and flowers and more flowers. Some of the flowers are beneficial, marigolds for instance. Some of them are beneficial to tell me where the bugs are, and you can see that leaf has been eaten, and of course he ate as much as he wanted and he didn't kill it, so he survived. Alright, over here I have weeping willows just planted, so I got some plants on top of them to keep them from falling out. There's one that got eaten down by one of them tomato hornworms, but for the most part I have been growing from buckets to the ground, and I have a bunch of peppers. I don't know how many, but there's a little bit of everywhere, and they take up a lot of time, but I expect that I'll have a crop worth talking about. And some of them have been hit with a little bit too much nitrogen. That's what's happening there. Of course, go figure, it's on the edge. It probably got hit twice. This one got hit pretty hard too, but you know what? It'll chill out later. It'll calm down. Won't be so hot after I water it a few times. And these are a bunch of ghost peppers from my seed, and I can explain a lot more in detail when I'm actually working it. But this is something I wanted to show. This is with MiracleGro. Just plain old MiracleGro and a good soil. A pretty good soil. And that's done with MiracleGro. But this is done with Osmocote. And Osmocote seems to work pretty good on them.